Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Happy new week to you guys. So today I will be using this virgin hair fertilizer on my natural hair. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. So this is how the product look like. Inside is kind of yellow in color, and it's kind of hot. Also when you put it on your scalp, it's kind of hot your scalp. So guys, in case you have not used it before, be aware of that when you use it on your scalp, it's going to be little hot, but with time the hotness is going to fade away, so it's not going to hurt you forever. So I'm just going to apply this on my hair, then I will also apply on my scalp. I will follow their instruction here, what they wrote here. They said apply and massage virgin hair fertilizer into your hair and your scalp every day. Comb and style as desired for a healthy, strong, and natural looking hair. So so I'm going to be doing it like that, just the way they said. So I will apply it on my scalp and on my hair, then after I will do the massaging. So this is my second time of using this product. When I used it before, I was relaxing my hair when I used it. Since then I can't find it here, so when I go to Africa shop the other day and I asked for it, they said they have it and this is the only one left. I'm so lucky to have it. Like, people are buying this product like there is no tomorrow. So I was so lucky to get this one, because the owner of the shop said I'm so lucky because this is the only one that is left, that people always buy this product a lot. So I'll be using it on my hair just like so. I also heard it's good for hair growth, so I'm going to see if this is going to also contribute to my hair growth journey. So that's why I bought it, to see if it's going to contribute. So I will use it for a month or two, then I will come back for the proper review to tell you how I feel about this product, if it actually grow my hair. Then I will come back for the proper review. But for now, all I can say is that if you have not used it before, be aware that it's going to hurt your scalp, but just for a few minutes. When you want to apply this every day, you should do this in the night before you go to bed, so that in the morning before you go out, the strong smell is going to go away, because this have a very strong smell. The smell is so strong, kind of rub. When you use rub, that is how it smell like. So I will just continue using it like this. Then at the end of this video, I will come back to tell you guys what I will be doing next. Just keep watching. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your time. Also good for hair growth. It's also good to condition your hair, and also going to give you a rapid and healthy hair growth. That is what I'm looking for. So it has petroleum jelly, peppermint oil, and herbal extra. So it has that ingredient inside of it, so which is kind of good for our hair. So that's all about this egg growth fertilizer, virgin hair fertilizer for hair growth. So I'm just going to be applying generous amount to my hair, my scalp, and the tip of my hair. So that's all I'm just going to be doing. Then I will just braid my hair that is all I will be doing on this video. Now the cover of this tube cannot cover the tube anymore. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe I will just look for a container to transfer it into a container, because I don't know why the cover cannot cover it very well. So if I want to be using the, I'll need to transfer it into another container, which I can cover it with the container cover, because the cover cannot cover it anymore. So I will just put it at the back of my hand so that it will be easy for me to take. Then from the back of my hand to my hair from the back of my hand to my hair. So this way it will be easy for me to take them, because I cannot be going all the time to the tube, press and apply, press and apply. So it's going to be kind of hard. Guys, now I'm almost done with braiding my hair. The next step now is just for me to massage this product to my scalp, just the way they wrote. Just going to massage it very well, and I will be using this product every day on my scalp because they say you should use it every day to grow your hair. So I'll be using it every day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Stay blessed, stay safe.